Welcome to Wow Stock Market. Today we will learn a new strategy number 2. The name of this strategy is Complicated Grid Strategy. This strategy is a bit complicated as it sounds, but no worries, we have explained clearly in further slides. The efficiency of this strategy is 76%. This is massive because majority of strategies efficiencies would be around 55 only. Hello traders, we are professional trader duo Suresh and Dilip from Wow Stock Market. We trade for institutions and high net worth clients. Through this channel, we will reveal all the secret behind the trading. What is special in this complicated strategy? Till date, you might have come across n number of strategies, indicators, oscillators and software signals. You should have noticed that they work either in sideways market or trending market. There are very few hidden strategies that works well in both the conditions. One of those hidden strategy is our complicated grid strategy, which makes wonders in trending market and sideways market as well. Let's get into the detail. This is basically a grid trading strategy. There are 4 pattern types to understand this strategy. For better understanding and to avoid confusion, you should be familiar with these patterns. So don't skip or else you will lose the track. Type 1. When the price moves up by 2 levels, we should go for buy. You can see in the image. From this level, price has moved up 2 levels. So at this point, we will be taking a buy. Type 2. When the price move down by 2 levels, we should go for sell. Let's have a look at the image. From this level, the price moved down by 2 levels. So at this point, we will be taking sell. Hope you are getting to the point. Type 3. Look at this image. When the price move up by 1 level and then immediately if the price move down by 1 level, we will take buy at this point. Type 4. When the price move down by 1 level followed by 1 level up, we will take sell at this point. What will be the target and stop loss? For every entry, the target will be 1 level and stop loss will also be 1 level. Here the risk reward ratio will be 1:1. Very simple. Okay, no worries. You will see a clear picture in the following example. This is the real chart of ICICI Bank recorded on 20th May 2021. You can trade in any script, any segment and any market. The specialty of this strategy is that it works well in all conditions. Okay, let's draw grid lines. We are starting here with round number at 600. We will maintain grid space of 6 points. Drawing the line at 600, 606, 612, 594, 618, 624, 630, 636. Even you can maintain grid space of your choice. Any spacing is okay. For better understanding, we mark all levels with alphabets. Now we have finished marking with alphabets for identification. Let's see how to take the trades. What should we take at point A? Buy or sell? For that, we have to identify the pattern. The pattern is 1 level up and then 1 level down. So we will be taking a buy entry at point A with 1 level target and 1 level stop loss. At point A, it has hit the stop loss of 1 level, which is 6 points. So minus 6 points. At point B, the pattern is like 2 levels down. So we will go for sell entry at point B, which has hit the target. So plus 6 points. At point C, again the pattern is 2 levels down. So we will be taking sell entry at point C, which has hit the stop loss. So minus 6 points. At point D, Again, the pattern is one level down and then one level up. So we will take sell entry at point D, which has hit the target. So plus 6 points. At point E, the pattern is one level up and then one level down. So we will take buy entry at point E, which has hit the target. So plus 6 points. See how well this strategy is performing in sideways market. Isn't this a good strategy? At point F, the pattern is one level down and then one level up. So we will take sell entry at point F, which has hit the target. So plus 6 points. At point G, the pattern is one level up and then one level down. So we will take buy entry at point G, which has hit the target. So plus 6 points. At point H, the pattern is one level down and then one level up. So we will take sell entry at point H, which has hit the stop loss. So minus 6 points. At point I, the pattern is two level up. So we will take buy entry at point I, which has hit the target. So plus 6 points. At point JKL, the pattern is the same two levels up. So we will take buy at these points with one level target and one level stop loss. It has hit the target all the points. So plus 6 points at point J, plus 6 points at point K, plus 6 points at point M. The pattern is two levels up. So we will take buy entry. But this entry is still open. In trending market also, it has given an amazing result. This strategy is one of our favorite. Okay, let us record the profit loss of this strategy in an Excel sheet. The result of complicated strategy at different levels has been recorded in result column. The net result without applying easy profit technique is plus 36 points. Let us apply easy profit technique of lots or shares adjustment in shares column. Let's start with one quantity of ICICI Bank shares for better understanding. For detailed explanation of easy profit technique, watch our previous video. To start, we take one share at point A. Since it's a loss at point A, we increase the share by 1 at point B, which was a profit. Since it is a profit at point B, we decrease the share by 1. So 1 share for entry at point C. Like this, if we adjust the shares for all the entries, the net result has been boosted from plus 36 points to plus 54 points. You can see that out of 12 entries, 3 entries failed and 9 entries won. Our easy profit technique has neutralized the loss of 3 entries to no loss and preserved the profit of 9 winning entries. So 9 entries multiplied by 6 points profit per entry is total profit of 54 points. Let's see what happens if you have traded in ICICI Bank futures. The lot size of ICICI Bank futures is 1375. This Excel sheet shows the profit and loss result. If we have traded in futures, the result is 74,250 rupees profit. Wonderful result. So traders, today you have learned a complicated grid strategy and you might have doubts regarding the strategy. You can discuss your queries using below comment area. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, subscribe our channel Wow Stock Market for further videos to learn and earn in stock market.